Welcome to your ultimate guide to the stock market. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance's Eqimonic, where we make investing easy and fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the stock market and revealing the best stock market apps for beginners. Host voiceover. Understanding the stock market can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the basics and know exactly which apps can help you get started on your investment journey. On screen text, Chapter 1. What is the stock market? So, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a giant marketplace where shares of companies are bought and sold. These shares represent ownership in the company. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. The prices of these shares go up and down based on how well the company is doing and how much people want to buy or sell those shares. It's all about supply and demand. Chapter 2. Why invest in the stock market? On screen text, Chapter 2. Why invest in the stock market? You might be wondering, why invest in the stock market at all? Well, investing in stocks has the potential to grow your wealth significantly over time. It's one of the best ways to build your financial future. Cut to historical stock market growth charts and success stories. Just remember, while the stock market has its risks, it also offers great rewards for those who stay informed and make smart decisions. Chapter 3. Best stock market apps for beginners. Now, let's talk about some of the best stock market apps that can help you get started.
Can make investing not only easier, but way more fun. Here are my top picks for beginners. 1. Robinhood. Perfect for beginners. Its clean interface makes buying and selling stocks super simple, and it has no trading fees. But remember, don't confuse simple with easy. Profits research is still key. 2. Webble. For those who want to dig a bit deeper into stock analysis. It has more advanced features, but is still free to use. 3. Acorns. If you're the set it and forget it type, Acorns invests your spare change automatically. It's great for growing your money passively. 4. E-Trade. A classic choice for those who want both beginner-friendly tools and professional-level features as you grow. Host. Whatever app you choose, remember, it's about what works.
First up, we have Robinhood. Insert screen recording of Robinhood app interface. Robinhood is known for its user-friendly design and commission-free trades. It's perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into investing without hefty fees. Next, we have Sophie Invest. Insert screen recording of Sophie Invest app interface. Sophie Invest offers a simple interface, low fees, and plenty of educational resources to help you learn as you go. Fidelity provides excellent research tools and educational content, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced investors. And let's not forget E*Trade and Public. E*Trade features a robust platform with paper trading options and educational resources, while Public is fantastic for building a community around investing. So there you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to the stock market and the best apps to get you started. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Happy investing. Background music fades out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.